Hello everyone, today we're going to be going over how and when to use the delay node. The delay node is essentially a node which tells the automation of the workflow to effectively pause what it's doing for a set period of seconds, minutes, hours, or even days. Now, why would we use this? Well, sometimes inside of the workflow, we want things to slow down, which allows external things to accrue. An example would be, for example, a new post comes in, gets detected by one of your social listening searches. Perhaps you would want to wait one day to allow for engagement to build on that post, for example. Or maybe you're running an automation that revolves around someone updating a certain Airtable or a G Sheet, and typically there's a 3-day lag period. And so what you want to do is you want to wait 3 days before that automation continues and then looks up the certain record inside of that field, for example. There's lots of different potential reasons why, but the delay node gives you that flexibility in order to do that. So how to use it is very, very simple. Simply head to the workflow actions toolbar and then click on delay. Now you've got two options. You can delay for an exact date and time. So this is very common if you're doing more of a one-off like workflow that would typically happen. And you could say, hey, delay until Friday the 27th. Maybe this is something that you're doing around an event, and so it's kind of time specific or something orientated around that potentially. Or you have the option, which is more common, to use a time interval. So this is waiting for a duration. Here you have the option to filter it to wait through seconds, minutes, or hours. So for example, if I change this to 1 and change 60 seconds, it's obviously going to wait 60 seconds, likewise for minutes, and likewise for hours. And if I hit add to workflow, that is now configured. So anytime, obviously once I publish this, anytime this then runs, it will then wait an hour before executing the next node, okay? So what it does is as a new post comes in, it will hit this delay node, it will wait for 1 hour based on my configuration, and then it will continue with the workflow or the subsequent nodes underneath that delay node.